Hi, I'm Dr. Rhea Hogseth, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. So fitting a stainless steel crown. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're taking down the right kit for whichever teeth are receiving the crowns for that day. Then you're going to want to pre-size the tooth. So if you can, look at the tooth before the prep is cut and figure out what you think might be the closest size for that tooth. Then after the prep is completed, you're going to want to fit the crown. So try on the crowns that you kind of pre-chose. Now a crown that's too big will fit on the tooth. So the key to finding the right size is to fit a crown on and then go a size smaller and keep going smaller until you find a crown that won't go on. And then you go up one size and that's going to be the right size for that tooth. So then you're going to want to look at the length. So if you see any blanching around the tooth, it's too long. So you will need to take the crown and bridge scissors and trim off a little bit until you can put it on and not have blanching. And then smooth that and then of course recontour the crown. Once you think you've got it correct, then you're going to try it on and see if you get that snap fit. If you don't, you're going to need to recontour that gingival edge. Now sometimes this can be a problem if you happen to have a patient that's had a lot of space loss because of mesial and distal decay. There are some manufacturers that make a narrower crown mesial-distally with the same dimension buccolingually that they always had. So that can help on those cases where you really have a lot of space loss due to long-term decay. So then once you've got it all fit, you're ready to cement. You can actually get the training modules that will teach you this and show it to you on the PDAA members only area of the website. So sign up to become a member of the PDAA today and you will have access to that and can physically see how to do that. So that's today's Practice Pearl. I'm Dr. Rhea Hogseth, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association, and I'll see you on the next one.